just got a delivery here. GMC also got a delivery there. Bunch of trucks, but we got this S60 Recharge that's been lost for the past like 6 weeks. Had a customer that came in twice asking about it. Finally came in. Here it is, all covered in snow and salt mainly. S60 Recharge Ultimate Black Edition. That's fantastic. This one's got the Bowers and Wilkins to it. Looks good. Oh. There's another truck that's leaving right now. I think there was another drop off. GMC just left. So until they PDI, we have to manually lock and unlock. So twice in, twice out. There we go. Now we got it. Look at those seats. Oh, fantastic. Oh, no power. All right. Let's get her in. Oh, Bowers and Wilkins. Completely frozen. There we go. Look at that. Got power. Okay. Accidentally hit the pedal because it was moved so far back. Let's get this started. Barely has any fuel. 50. Whoa. There we go. Yeah. Transport mode. Don't see that too often. So, whew. Barely any. No charge. Barely any fuel. Software has not been updated. Yeah. Let's go through PDI here. You have your ultimate crystal shifter. Bowers and Wilkins. There we go. Oh yes, this is very exciting. Black headliner. Everything's black pretty much. Oh yes, let's get it on high heat right now. Let's get the heated seats going. Oh man, it is heated steering wheel. This should be okay. Whew. So cold. I don't know if the temperature will be visible. -2, but it's actually real feel like -10, or even more. It's crazy. But yeah, we got it in. But it is on right now. And there's actually another one, a employee car that is currently charging with the wall outlet. Also blacked out. Very nice. Look at that. This one's 64, 195. Climate package, Bowers and Wilkins, and of course Ultimate, so Black Edition. 455 horsepower with this one. It's good. Now since it is freezing, we are going back inside. You got your brake covers there. That has to go off during the inspection. Looks good. It's gonna be a fun drive. Oh yeah. Nice. Customer's gonna love this. We are moving all the cars again for the class tomorrow. One of the last ones out. And it is getting cold. It is absolutely freezing. Getting closer to -10 again.